If you need to create a professional envelope layout in LibreOffice Writer, this quick tutorial will walk you through the whole process step by step. Whether you're preparing business mail, personal letters, or formal documents, LibreOffice makes it easy to insert an envelope without having to design it from scratch. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where to find the envelope tool, how to fill in the recipient and sender details, and how to generate a printable envelope layout in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see the Start Center, where you can choose what type of file you want to work with. On the left side, under Create, click Write a document if you want to start a new document or open an existing document if you already have one in progress. This can be useful if you want the envelope to match a letter you've already written. After your Writer document is open, go to the top menu and click Insert. This is where LibreOffice keeps tools for adding special elements into your document, like images, tables, and other layout features. From the Insert a menu, click Envelope. This option opens the envelope settings window where you can enter all the information needed for the envelope. Now you'll see fields for the recipient and sender details. In the recipient section, type the name and address of the person or business you're sending the envelope to. Make sure the information is accurate and formatted clearly, because this is what will appear on the final envelope. Then enter your own sender details in the return address section. This is helpful if the envelope can't be delivered and needs to be sent back to you. Next, take a look at the envelope size options. If you need the specific format, choose the correct envelope size from the available settings. This is especially important if you're printing for standard mailing envelopes or special business stationery. Picking the right size ensures the layout will line up properly when printed. Once everything looks correct, you'll usually have the option to click New Document or Insert. If you choose New Document, LibreOffice will create a separate envelope document for you. If you choose Insert, it will place the envelope layout into your current document. Either way, the envelope will be generated and ready for printing. At this point, you can review the layout to make sure the addresses are positioned correctly and that the envelope looks the way you want. If needed, you can go back and adjust the details before printing. This final check is always a good idea so you avoid wasting paper or printing an envelope with incorrect information. And that's it. You've now learned how to insert an envelope in LibreOffice Writer. It's a simple but really useful feature, especially if you send letters often or want a more professional looking mailing setup. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more LibreOffice tips, writing tutorials, and easy computer how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.